Today we are going to see big and small objects. We are going to see about big and small objects. So this is big and this is small. This is big, this is small. This is big and this is small. Big frog, small frog. Big bag, small bag. Big bag, small bag. Big frog, small frog. Big frog, small frog. Big ball, small ball. Big ball, small ball. Big water bottle, small water bottle. Big water bottle, small water bottle. Big bat, small bat. Big bat, small bat. Big kite, small kite. Big kite, small kite. So, today you have seen big objects and small objects. Thank you.